And we are live. Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome again to my page. I am Fawzia Javed and I am a digital business mentor. Today I have come with a very special guest who is a working mom and her name is Nuzhat. So let me introduce to her quickly. Assalamu alaikum Nuzhat ji.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम फौजिया हाउ आर यू
जी कैसे हैं आप? आई एम गुड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आप कैसे हैं?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम गुड थैंक यू
First of all, thank you for coming to my page on this short notice. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए.
माय प्लेजर थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन योर पेज
जी जी शुक्रिया जज़ाकल्लाह. And can you please start with a little bit introduction of yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Nuzhat Khan. I am basically from Pakistan. I'm living in New York from last around more than 14 years. I am working in a public school as a teacher, and I am working as a business mentor, online business mentor, and that's it.
Did you come across this business and what are the things like you like most in this business?
The business I came across this business. I saw the ad of my mentor on the business, and there are some in life sometimes something happens that you feel that you need to give more time to your family, but you are unable to give that time to your family because of your job and different excuses, because job excuses. So at that time I was kind of like not weak, but in that transition I wanted a transition that I should do a work that I should be available for my daughter. I have one daughter. She's in fifth grade, and she needed time. She needed to stay home, but I was unable to stay home because of my job. So at that time I was like feeling so weak that I'm a mom. I should be available for everything, for every time, for every moment when my daughter needs me.
As a side hustle or as a stay at home mom जो भी करना चाह रही है वो
हम्म
खवातीन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है ये.
बिल्कुल
घर बैठे-बैठे लाइक आपके बच्चों को टाइम देते-देते आप ये बिज़नेस करें.
सही. मैंने ये बिजनेस जब ज्वाइन किया तो मैंने एज अ साइड हसल किया था, लेकिन नाउ आई एम एट द पॉइंट के आई एम अबाउट टू एट द एज ऑफ टू मेकिंग दिस बिजनेस माय फुल टाइम जॉब.
Some people are even doing this as a side hustle, but after seeing the income potential in this business, like they are just quitting their jobs and then they are doing this as a full-time job.
एज अ फुल टाइम, yes.
आपको क्या दिखा बिजनेस में लाइक उस जो फीचर्स है जो
Attract किए
most.
to
Mhm.
thing which was more attractive for me is the flexibility of time and place, and the other thing that the background automated system.
जी
These were the most attractive things for me. And one more thing which I liked most कि ये business transferable है, कि आप अब right now जैसे मैं ये business कर रही हूँ, by the time when my daughter will be around 18, I can transfer this to her.
yeah,
And
it's a legacy to your children.
yeah,
That's very good. Yeah.
so this feature was very like a big motivation for me, and that I am giving my daughter a thing that she can continue her college education. She can continue. She won't be worry about expenses, or she won't
जी.
be she won't be worry about what to do.
That's right.
ये ना कि ये चीज एक पॉजिटिव वे है ना, कि जब आप ऑनलाइन आप टाइम भी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, इवन ऑनलाइन आप परचेजिंग कर रहे हैं, आप अपनी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाई डोंट वी अर्न ऑनलाइन. तो
जी.
दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वे इंस्टेड ऑफ वाचिंग वीडियोस और वाचिंग मूवीज और द
आप
अदर थिंग,
स्क्रॉल
इंस्टेड
करते हैं
ऑफ
आजकल रील्स देखते हैं, टिकटॉक देखते हैं, बहुत सारे जैसे हर चीज़ इतना लाइक टाइम पास बहुत करते हैं, तो वही टाइम पास को आप कन्वर्ट करके आप अपने यू नो
इनकम में. हाँ,
इनकम बनाने की. का ज़रिया बन जाता है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
तो जब आप ये देखें लाइक सिंस इट्स ऑनलाइन सो हाउ वेरी skeptical very skeptical and how did you overcome it?
Yes, I was skeptical. I was thinking, is it a scam or what I have to do? Because I was just having an option, join the business, and like that. But if we will join the business, what we have to do? Like that. But वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता फिर step by step वो skepticism जो है it vanished. So कि फिर जिस फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से हम लोग हैं कि सोशल मीडिया पे तो हम नहीं है, लेकिन हम सोशल मीडिया को यूज तो कर रहे हैं हम अपनी ऑनलाइन ऑल द टाइम। आप देखिए
या डे
एवरी
टू डे लाइफ हर चीज़ में ऑनलाइन है आजकल, तो
हर
शॉपिंग
चीज
है,
बिल्कुल
इवन डॉक्टर विजिट्स भी अगर कभी इमरजेंसी होती है तो ई विजिट होती है, ऑनलाइन होती है, खाने
बिल्कुल
केटरिंग ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन हो रही है, तो हर चीज़ में
हर चीज ऑनलाइन हो रही है कि तो फिर उसमें ये है कि व्हाई नॉट वी अर्न ऑनलाइन। we if we have the option and that option suits us, and I am able to do that, I am having all the help and all the support from the training kit and from the mentor and from the coach and from the group we joined. So why not there was nothing to say no about that. There were so many reasons to join. Yes, I can do that. If they can do that, I can do that. And when I talked with my mentor, I saw her that she's the same kind of lady like I am. She's working from home. She's a staying home mom. She has a kid. She has a family. I felt like this is the same kind of my story that I
Yeah.
have. My her background, my background is the same, and
हाँ, जब आप रेज़ोनेट करते हैं एक-दूसरे को देख के ना, जैसा
देख
आप
के
मॉम है, कोई और भी मॉम है, जब वो कर रहा है तो फिर आप भी क्यों ना करें?
हाँ,
तो
एंड
जब
देन
आप लाइक माइंडेडनेस हो जाते हैं दोनों, रेज़ोनेट करने लगते हैं आप आप
हाँ,
अपने
वो स्केप्टिज्म जो है वो एक फियर ऑटोमेटिकली फिर आपका क्लियर हो जाता है डाउट। तो
जी।
हाँ, डाउट्स थे लेकिन वो आहिस्ता-आहिस्ता जो है वो मेरी हो गए। देयर आर मैनी बिज़नेसेस व्हिच आर स्कैम्स, but about this business when I felt it's not a scam, the ladies they are the same like us, from different backgrounds. The ladies are running this business very successfully. So why not me?
या वर्किंग पेरेंट लाइक हाउ मच टाइम डू यू गिव दिस टू बिज़नेस, और अगर कोई चैलेंजेस है तो फिर आप कैसा ओवरकम करते हो उसको?
इसका टाइम देने का बिज़नेस को टाइम देने का whenever you start something, you have to give more time until you will be able to learn each and every aspect of that
हुँ, हुँ। हाँ, जब
business.
तक सेटअप हुए तक आपको शुरू में
हाँ,
तो
सेटअप होने तक आपको शुरू में ज़्यादा टाइम देना होता है और इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अपॉन योरसेल्फ कि आप कितनी फास्ट उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं या कितना आप अपनी डेली लाइफ में से कितना टाइम निकाल के आप अपने बिजनेस के सेटअप को दे सकते हैं। वंस एवरीथिंग इज ऑल सेटअप एंड यू बिकम the stage of mentee others, then a couple of hours per day is enough for this business. Starting it was like 3-4 hours, but the best thing of this business is that there was no condition that you have to give these hours from 9 to 5, or if you are on this business and you are doing the work, or you are on your training kit, you have to do continuously 3 hours or 4 hours like that. No, in breaks, whenever you have time, you can work on your business. But if you have to do something else, you can take a break from your business and you can do that too. So
फाइनल व्यूअर के लिए क्या क्या मैसेज है आपके कंक्लूड?
मेरा मैसेज तो यही होगा कि एटलीस्ट ट्राई दिस and this has a money back guarantee, and before you pay any money for the training kit, if you want, you have a chance to see the webinar which is totally free. Just see the webinar, make up your mind, and if you make up your mind and you are even paying your money, you have 30 days money back guarantee to see the business structure, to see the business. You will have
To explore the
total
business model.
business model, and you will have all the training kit. You will go through that. You can see that if you can do that, and what kind of help you will have in this business. So at least you must try and work on it, and if it suits you, then join. And if even if it doesn't suits you, you still have time to think it, and you can get your money back. You can take it back. So don't worry, don't hesitate, just
Yeah, just remove
take
your
a step.
skepticism and then
Yeah.
try to explore this. And if since we have it's like a 90-minute free complimentary webinar, so you can at least know like what is this business about, what we are doing, and how it has changed so many people's lives,
Yes.
finance, and getting their financial stability, or not only their financial stability but also personal growth in yourself.
Yes,
So
personal skills and growth. Even if they decide they don't want to join this business right now, or they this business is not suitable for them, or like, they will still learn a lot of things
yeah, that's true.
during that 30 days. A
Mhm.
lot of skill and confidence, and they will have a chance to explore where the world is going right now.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
what are the chances of making themselves to be a bright and useful person while staying at home as well, or as a side hustle? So, this is not a waste of time or waste of money.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.